Philips Audio Fidelio B95/10 TV soundbar with wireless subwoofers, 5.1.2 channels, 808-watt Dolby Atmos, IMAX enhanced, DTS Play 5 and voice control. This TV soundbar 5.1.2 falls any room with rich, deep soundtracks, thunderous effects, and sparkling dialogues. The soundbar with wireless subwoofers add impacts to every experience and every beat. With this soundbar Dolby Atmos, your movies will sound breathtaking realistic. The soundbar for TV is certified IMAX enhanced. It delivers an audio experience that truly takes you to another world. With DTS Play-Fi on this soundbar with subwoofers, you can create a multi-room audio setup. Play music through the soundbar smart by using Alexa enabled devices or speakers that work with Google Assistant. With this soundbar with wireless subwoofer, you can stream music from your mobile device via Spotify connected, Apple AirPlay to or Bluetooth. 4K pass through lets you can connect 4K HDR video sources. Included in the delivery Philips Fidelio B95/10 soundbar with wireless subwoofers, 5.1.2 channels, Dolby Atmos, remote control, battery, power cord, quick start guide, worldwide warranty leaflet, power source type, corded electric.